A very warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to start with a poem, a very beautiful poem, in fact, Life, which is full of positiveness and hopefulness, which we all need a lot in today's time. Before starting up with the explanation of the poem, let me give you some questions which will help you to understand the poem more nicely. First thing which you have to do is you have to write on few metaphorical lines about life. For example, life is a stage, act well. Life is a drama, play your role well, like this. So you can frame 5 to 10 sentences like this. Second question is make 5 acrostics using the word life. You have to pick out the first letter of the word. For example, L I have taken for liberty, I for integrity, fraternity, F and E for equality. Similarly, you have to make 5 acrostics. Third question is, I have given here a list of words which you have to bifurcate into positive and negative feelings. So what you have to do is you have to draw 2 columns. One column will be for positive feelings and second one will be for negative feelings. And then you have to divide these words into positive and negative. Let me give you example. First word is hopeful. Hopeful is a positive, denotes positive feeling. So you will write the word hopeful in the column of positive feeling. Lonely, it will come in negative feeling column. So like this you have to divide all these words into positive and negative feelings columns. In case you are not able to understand any word, you can ask me, you can send me a message. I will tell you the meaning. Otherwise you can take the help of the dictionary also. So let's come to the poem Life. It is a very positive poem, and if you understand its meaning, it will help you throughout your life. Yes, it will always, whenever you will feel sad, whenever you will feel little lonely, whenever you will be threatened by the problems which are being thrown by life to you, remember this poem. This poem will immediately bring a feeling of positiveness and liveliness into your life. So understand the meaning of this poem very well and try to remember it throughout your life. This poem, before going ahead with the poem, let me give you a short description about the poetess Charlotte Bronte. She was an English novelist whose novels became classics of English literature. She was born on 21st of April 1816 and died on 31st March 1855. Many poems, many novels she have written which are considered as the art of English literature. Let's come to the explanation of the poem. I will give you explanation. I will explain the poem after every 2 lines, okay, one by one. So let's begin. Life, believe, is not a dream so dark as sages say. Here, the poetess is requesting its readers to believe that life is not a dream. In fact, it is a reality. So dark as sages say. Sages means wise men. So some of the wise men, some of the elder person, they from time to time they tell you to be cautious, to be very cautious enough to not to make any mistake. And they always advise you. They say that if you will do this mistake, you have to pay a lot, you have to be very careful. But here the poetess is saying that life is not that much dark, life is not that much complicated as some of the wise men say. Next 2 lines. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Oft here is the short word for often. Oft a little morning rain, that means often, mostly it happens that after a little morning rain, we can expect that the day will be pleasant, the day will be very beautiful, the day will be very cheerful. Okay, it happens like whenever we receive little morning in the rain, the atmosphere around us becomes very pleasant, very happy. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom. clouds of gloom means gloom is here word gloom is used for darkness. So the poetess is saying that sometimes it happens that our life comes around, in our life darkness comes around. Sometimes we feel that we are facing lot of problems, but these are transient. All transient means temporary, but all these problems are very temporary. They will go along with the time, that this time will also pass. So here the poetess is saying that we all have to face some or the other problem, but it does not mean that they are going to remain in our life throughout. With time these problems will also pass, the darkness will also pass. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament its fall. The poetess is saying that if the rainfall is making roses bloom, bloom means to grow or to shine. So the poetess is saying that if the shower is making the roses shine, then why we have to regret its falling? Then why we have to regret over rainfall? So here basically the poetess is saying that it doesn't matter if sometimes our life is full of problems, we have to face some problems, but if they are making us strong, if they are bringing the shine within us, then if they are making our soul to shine, then why we have to regret having those problems? They will also pass with time. Rapidly, merrily, life sunny, hours flew by. Gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. Rapidly means very fastly. Merrily means happily. So very fastly and very happily, life's sunny hours. Sunny hours means golden time, good time. Our golden time is passing by very fastly and very happily. Gratefully, cheerily. So we have to enjoy them as they are flying away, gratefully and cheerily. We don't have to worry about the things which we don't have or the problems which are there in our life, but we have to be thankful for the things which we have in our life. What though death as times steps in and calls our best way? What though death at times steps in? Here the poetess is saying that it doesn't matter that the death is approaching and it is taking away our best parts, which means that sometimes in life it happens that we lose our loved ones. Sometimes it happens that we get worried about our health or we feel very lonely, and sometimes it happens that we lose very important part of our life, something which is very important for us. What though sorrow seems to win? And sometimes also it happens that sorrow means unhappiness. We feel that unhappiness is taking over us. We feel that there is no more happiness left in our life. Over hope a heavy sway. And it also seems that the darkness or the sorrowness, it seems to win over our hope. It is taking control over our hope in an intense way. Okay, so that is the meaning of first 4 lines. Get hope again, elastic springs. And just pay attention to this line. Yet hope again, elastic springs. Still hope will find its way. They are like elastic. Elastic means which can regain its original form. Even if it is stretched, then it will come again to its original form. So life is like the elastic. No matter what we have to face, hope will find its way and it will bring spring. Spring means spring season. That is here implied to good times, to having good times in our life. So the meaning of this line says, still hope will find its way. They are like elastic. It will regain its original form. It will bring good times again. Unconquered though she fell, still buoyant are her golden wings. Unconquered means which cannot be defeated. Undefeated even after falling, golden wings of life will bounce back. It will rise again upward and it will still be strong to hold us well. It will be strong enough to hold us nicely. Last 4 lines. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear. Manfully here means bravely. Bravely and without fear. Fearlessly. The day when decision will be taken. The day of trial bear means the day when decision will be taken will come soon. Those who have won very gloriously and have won, that decision will be taken very soon. For gloriously and victoriously can courage quell despair. That means those who have won gloriously, those who have won victoriously, their courage will not be taken over by the darkness or unhappiness. Despair means darkness or unhappiness. So it can never be taken away by their courage can never be taken away by the despair. It can never happen. So basically this poem is all about keeping ourselves very strong and always be hopeful about positive things which will happen in our life. Always hope for the better thing. Always hope that something better will come in our way very soon. No matter if you are facing many problems, no matter if today you cannot see that something good is going to happen to you, but in some time after the darkness will go away, after the darkness will fade away, light will come shining into your life. So here it was a poem. If any line or if any word you are not able to understand, then please ask me. I will repeat it again. Thank you.